is Meshack Lufile.
Washington, nice look inside again. Meshack Lufile.
Lufile's got to put it up to beat the shot clock. Got a good.
Up ahead, here is Meshack now. Jason Police.
Second one gets his own rebound and puts it in
For the game. Here's Meshack Lufile. On the ball, Captain L in transition, the Meshack, count it, as Khalees is called.
Wow, finds Kindred and big fella runs the floor.
Inside of Lufile.
And Lufile, big fella.
Around, Meshack Lufile put back with the left hand. Lufile draws the contact, count it! Inside of
Nice
Lufile, hold down, looking for the two-man action. Lufile, jumper.
And 11. That was
Edwards, he's bumped to Meshack. Meshack with
nice.
the... Translates into offense, and that's what it's been like in the third. That's Luke Brown, and Meshack throws it in. Good decision by Brown. Beautiful time in these two quarters, the first and the fourth, and a two-handed flush there to Vivier, giving it back to Meshack.